Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, we're gonna learn how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. So for that, let's open our Telegram application. So from here, go to your setting, scroll down a little bit. You can see here the privacy and security option, tap on it and go down. So in the previous version, you can see the sensitive content option down right below here. So let's again check on the web version also. So let's open our Safari. So in the search section, search for web.telegram.org. In the left top corner, there will be a 3 dash option. Click on it. Go to setting. Scroll down a little. You will see the option of privacy and security. Tap on it and scroll down. As you can see here, in the web version also the sensitive content option has been removed by Telegram. So if you try in the application as well as in the web for the latest Telegram update, it has been removed. So I just want to update you with this information. So if you like this informative video, leave like, share, comment and subscribe for more.